Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing a quick DIY hair growth recipe featuring Ayurvedic ingredients known to increase hair growth. This is one of my go-to recipes for combating excessive shedding and promoting fast growth. So if you're interested in seeing what's in this oil, keep watching. But first, if you like videos about all things hair care, skincare, and living your best life, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a like. Okay, let's dive into this video. The first ingredient is 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds. We'll grind the seeds with a blender to help with the infusion process. Fenugreek seeds promote hair growth, strengthen hair follicles, prevent hair loss, treat dandruff, and thinning. Next, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of extra virgin coconut oil. I'm not the biggest fan of coconut oil, but I recognize a lot of Ayurvedic recipes have a coconut oil base, and coconut oil also has great benefits. For example, it promotes scalp health, moisturizes dry hair, imparts shine and softness, and prevents hair breakage and split ends. So I'll add a little bit of coconut oil to this growth oil. Up next, 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. As you know from my last video, my hair and scalp loves this oil. It penetrates the hair shaft to seal in moisture, stimulates growth, blocks DHT, which causes hair loss. Next is 1/4 cup of sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil moisturizes your scalp, strengthens your roots, and increases blood circulation to the scalp to promote growth. We are doing the double boiler method to help these ingredients infuse faster and to avoid burning/overcooking the products, which happens when you prepare this oil directly in the pot. So as you can see, I'm putting the mason jar in a boiling pot of water. So I'm adding the fenugreek seeds into the oil, and then I'm gonna stir the concoction. Next up is 4 teaspoons of Amla powder. This is one of the stars of this hair growth oil. Amla powder prevents hair loss and breakage. The iron and keratin in Amla promotes hair growth and softens your hair. Then I'm adding Moringa powder. This powder is a superfood packed with tons of vitamins and minerals like zinc that will stimulate hair growth, help with follicle recovery, and prevent hair loss. Next, I'm adding 1.5 tablespoons of MSM powder. As you know from my last video, MSM promotes hair growth by lengthening the anagen stage of the hair growth cycle. Next is 4 teaspoons of Jamaican black castor oil, which promotes thickness and hair growth and strengthens your hair roots. Next is vitamin E oil. You want to make sure you're getting the pure vitamin E oil, absent of any other additional oils. Vitamin E oil supports healthy scalp and hair growth, reduces the amount of oxidative stress that causes the hair follicles to break down, and it imparts moisture and shine. Okay, so I'm going to add 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil and sweet almond oil that I'm going to mix. Now you're going to mix everything together, stirring the growth oil continuously for at least 15 minutes on low to medium heat. You want to make sure nothing settles at the bottom of the jar, so keep stirring. So this is what it looks like when everything has been infused and mixed together. Then you want to let it infuse for 24 hours in a dark place, and then it's time to strain the oil from the particles using cheesecloth or stockings. You can do the straining process twice to make sure there are no particles in your oil. Okay, so I'm gonna add 4 squirts of sweet almond oil, 3 droppers of argan oil, and then 35 drops of peppermint oil to help stimulate our follicles. You can use this oil as a scalp massage oil, or you can use it on your hair as a pre-poo treatment or hot oil treatment. And bam, there goes the finished product. After that, I transfer the oil into an old dropper bottle, and it's ready for use. Have you ever tried Ayurvedic ingredients on your hair? Let me know down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Deuces.